Hi, I am going to show you how to make a timeline in Google Slides. So you want to start here in the Google Drive, which is just drive.google.com, and you can also get through it there through ClassLink. You want to click on New, Google Slides, and that will create a new Google slide. Now it starts with this title page, and we actually don't need either of these, so you can click here and just delete both of these, and that will give us a blank slide to work with. To start your timeline, you want to first make a line. So you want to click the line button and make a line that goes all the way across your page. To make this line thicker or a different color, you can use these buttons up here to change the line weight and the line color. Then you need some text boxes where you can write events from your life. Maybe your first event was in 2015 and it was the first time you went to Disneyland. So 2015. So you've got an event there, and just like the line, you can change the box here to make it a different color or to make the line a little bit thicker, and you just click on border color and you can change that. Maybe make it a little bit thicker. Okay, and then to make a line go from this box down to your line, you just click on the line tool again, and then you draw a line from your box down to the timeline. And the same way with this line, you can change the color, you can change the width, and you just continue doing that until you have all of the events that you want on your timeline. Now, to include a picture to illustrate that you went to Disneyland, you can go to Insert Image, search from the web, and then what would be a good image for Disneyland? Maybe you went on a roller coaster. Okay, so it was super fun. You went on a roller coaster. So you click that and then click Insert. And it's huge, so you want to make it smaller and put it somewhere close to that text box. Okay, and when you're ready to turn in this assignment, you just go to Share. Of course, you have to name it. Timeline. And then you just copy this link, so Control-C to copy, or you can click on Copy Link there and hit Done, and then you just go back to the assignment box and you paste it in there. So that's a really easy way to make your timeline in Google Slides.